Hi family, it's Christy with Designs for a Diva. And in today's video, I am participating in the DIY Fall and Glam Towels 2019 collab. This collab is hosted by Diva Decorating, Mysterious Alberta, and their co-host is Cynthia, She's So Blessed. There were 3 rules to this collab. You must upload your video on August 30th after midnight. You have to, number 2, have fun, and 3, mention all 3 hosts and be subscribed to their channels. Well, I was already subscribed to their channels, so that was a no-brainer. Now, I definitely had fun putting this vignette together. As a matter of fact, I tried so many different ideas. But if you know me, you know that I am really a simple decorator. I don't like a whole lot of fuss, and I don't like a whole lot of items. So I try to stick to the 3 items rule. But if you see from my vignette, my cutting board always finds its way in any vignette. So what we have here is, this is actually a lampshade that goes on a burner for like oil burners, incense to make your house smell good. This shade actually covers it, but I like to use it in different ways. I have added a Be Grateful sign, a distressed Be Grateful sign, and also a natural wood candle holder with a flameless flickering candle. My beads found its way on this vignette, along with a kitchen tea towel that says our nest is best, with greenery in it. And I absolutely love the simplicity of this vignette. I love the different textures and neutral colors, the distressed sign and candle holder, and the galvanized burner that I added here. I added some picks from the Dollar Tree just to give it a little color, but also have that fall look. And I think that it looks nice. So what do you think? Do you like this fall vignette? Please be sure to leave a comment and give me a thumbs up and tell me what you like about this DIY Fall and Glam Towel 2019 collab. Also, be sure to go check out the playlist listed in my description box. It will have all of the participants, and I know that these ladies will do an amazing job. Make sure you subscribe to their channels, and please be sure to give them a thumbs up. Chin, have a great day. Okay, so I decided to decorate one more area of my home with fall towels. Now, I know, I'm not a glam girl if you've seen my videos before. I'm more of a farmhouse, rustic type of person. So I have put together my fall glam. I have a towel, 2 hand towels, and a washcloth here. And I have put a burlap sash. Excuse me, I am not a bow person, but I put a burlap sash, and then I have a candle holder with a candle that I think is beautiful in this room, and some greenery. And I love it. I absolutely love it. I love this basket. I have put a label here, Hello Fall, and I think it is super cute. So there is my third